जर्मन ज्ञान सब्सक्राइब किया है नहीं किया? अगर नहीं किया ना कर लो यार, किसका वेट करो, इतनी मेहनत से आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो ला रहे हैं हम। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो, लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है बिगनर्स के लिए, पूरी देखना मत भूलना। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Hi guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today's video is literally a very requested video. I normally get a lot of questions, guys, that we are beginner, what should we do? I am planning to do German language, what should I do? As a beginner, which level is the best? And a lot of questions. So yes, this video is gonna a perfect video for all the beginners who want actually to learn German in their career and go higher and higher. So I hope this video will be super helpful for you, and without wasting time, let's get started. So basically guys, I would like to give you a suggestion that let me explain you my own journey, and then by going through that I will be explaining you that how you can make yourself a developed person in the German language field, and you can like fly with colors with help of German Gyan. Of course, we are there to help you in all the ways which is possible. So yeah, so guys, when I just finished my 12th, basically I was not aware that in German language actually there is something which I can make out with, but thanks to my sister, she guided me, and just because of her my German career actually started. So first of all, thanks to her, a very big thanks, and another thanks to my parents who actually supported me, and third one, you, because without you this communication, this family, my GG family is incomplete. So thank you so much. So if I come up with the next thing, basically after 12th I started doing one job. In that job I was teaching German, and simultaneously I opened the YouTube channel. So there in German language, if I talk about the questions which comes up in my mind as a beginner, which level should I do? As a beginner, is German language gonna be beneficial for me? Third, German language. Oh, why only German language? What German language is giving? Is German language scope is in Delhi or in India or in Germany only? So there are lots of questions. Today I'm gonna answer all that. So if you are a beginner, then German language is a most serious language. Like I can personally tell you, German language is not tough. Not because I have learned it, but personally telling you by the experience as a student when I was learning, German language is not tough. But make sure you are doing proper practice, you make sure you are doing proper revision, proper learning vocabulary. You are aware of the topic purpose, like the proper reasoning, proper purpose of the topic, and how to use it, when to use it, everything. If you know this, then German language will be easy. So a lot of factors depends, like suppose from where you are learning, like what is the trainer qualification, how you are getting to learn, what notes you are like using. So there are a lot of factors, and according to that you have to decide that okay, German language, according to that factors basically anyone will be deciding that German language is easy or tough. But according to me, yes, German language is easy. Easily you can cope up with this language and you can fly with colors. Definitely yes, you can do. See, suppose you have decided that you are coming up with the German language, the very next question comes that from where should we do? Is Goethe is mandate or not? So for that, let me tell you, German Gyan is a perfect solution for you. It's a one-stop solution for you, where we are guiding you that how to do that. Counseling session is totally free. Secondly, when you come to us, we will be giving you one free demo. If you are attending online classes or offline, demo you will be getting if you want. Otherwise it's totally fine, you can enroll like that also. Then we will be giving you a proper overview that what exactly German language is, what are the rules which you should go through while learning German language. Second, what is the study material, what all things you will be covering in this particular level. Suppose if you come with the A1 level, so I will be letting you know that A1 covers all the present tense, all the vocabulary, basic vocabulary. Then it comes to the next thing, picture description, email writing, basic introduction, one-to-one liner, questions, So a lot of things we need to tell to the student so that he or she can clear the proper mind that okay, this is the particular thing, this is the scenario, and this all we will be covering. So like this only we can do and grow up in different ways. So mentoring, counseling, everything is very important, and for that German language is a one-stop solution for you. Yes, we are offline also and online also. Offline timings will be 10 to 6 p.m. Online classes and online timings will be 6 a.m. to 12 midnight all 7 days. And for offline we are only available Monday to Saturday. Sunday classes will be online only. Let's come to the next. If I go and select with the German language, now what? So once you complete with the minimum B1 level, then you have to go and once you complete with the B1 level, then what you need to do is, while doing in between of B1, I will suggest you try to make your proper LinkedIn, try to make your cover letter. I will be giving you a link of the videos, how you can create your cover letter, how you can create your CVs. If you need further any help, then we do help in that particular making of cover letter, but that will be chargeable, let me just clear you. But still, if you want a free guidance, then that video will gonna help you so much. So I will be giving you a proper overview in that video, how to make your cover letter, how to make your CV, LinkedIn profile you have to make up so that different people, different HRs, different companies head can go through your LinkedIn profile and directly from there they can reply to you. Fine. Now next thing, once you are done with the B1, give your Goethe exam. Even need not to give, directly give your B1 or B2 level exam and you are good to go. Once your Goethe certificate is in your hand, then just go and apply for different jobs. If you need, if you are a German Gyan student, then we will be adding you in a group, German Jobs by German Gyan WhatsApp group. That is only and only for the students who are doing B1, B2 or teacher training program from us. Specifically, once you are done with this, from there you will be getting a lot of jobs or the email address or the numbers of HR. Directly you can go and apply there. Secondly, if you are personally connected with me, maybe I can suggest you something. Or third, like I have already told you, if you are created with proper LinkedIn profile and different websites from where you can apply. In the last video also in description I have put a lot of websites from where you can apply for your German job. So yeah, that's gonna help you so much. And once you applied for the job, definitely if you need an interview preparation from us, you can take, that is a chargeable service. But definitely if you need any help, otherwise all the very best and you can go and fly with the colors. If you are looking specifically in a teaching job, not an embassy job, then I will suggest you that you should do a teacher training program of 10 days. That's gonna be amazing for you. And guys, lastly, I will suggest you that if you really want some experience, without pay, just the experience, then German Gyan is giving you opportunity for the internship also. If you need that, then yes, you can connect with me and I will be just guiding you the best we can. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers. Bye guys.